Hello, young world. I'm back again. My name is Tsaone Boikhutso, aka Chillbad Viper. This time I'm not coming as a modeler, but as a poet. And the reason why I want to do poetry is because it's the easiest way a human being can express their emotions and feelings and all the likes. So if you feel poetry just like I do, so please go out there and vote for me. Thank you. A few weeks ago, I read a card that said, "Fight the urge to be comic." So I stand before you, screaming over this mic and beyond this page, so you can hear me loud and clear. People are going original, but most died copies, and baby, I ain't dying comic. Now, I'm not sipping lemonade in the shade, cause this kind of life takes work, the kind of life that push you to the dark. And baby, I am not dying comic. People standing over my grave asking, who was she? Really? So I choose to live this life, a victorious life. Thank you.